Hey everyone, welcome back. First of all, before we get started, I want to show my debt of gratitude to everybody for the string of videos geared toward the wheat scent bag that I purchased a while ago. And I know it's kind of like it might be a little bit too much, as some folks are saying, oh, you should talk about, half dollars or quarters or whatever the case is. Um, we will get there. I promise that. And second of all, I've been trying to kind of battle through all the choking smoke. We're only about an hour away from the Paradise campfire, and I've been indoors most of the time. But I'm telling you what, closer here where I live at in Sacramento, it's insane to the point where it affects your nasal cavity and your sinuses and everything like that. And it's been wreaking havoc with the way I talk on videos. I might come off as, kind of like nasally or whatever, it's just, yeah, it's pretty crazy right now. We've have friends that were affected by this fire. So it's really tough for everyone around here. So thank you again for all your support, and let's go ahead and get started on this one. And this is another variety that's not in the cherry pickers guide that I discovered in a bag, and this one is a 1956 D over D repunched mint mark. As you can see right there, the secondary Denver mint mark is to the north of the primary. This is, however, a variety that you could find on a resource like coppercoins.com. That's Chuck Daughtry's site. And it does have a Wechsler attribution code. I don't know what it is off the top of my head, but I just wanted to show you this really far out looking coin right here. And yeah, it's a beauty. I would say this is a coin that I could turn around and sell easily in the, I don't know, $5 to $10 range. Let me go ahead and remove this magnifier so you can see the whole coin. It's an AU with hints of luster and original red in the protected areas of the Lincoln cent. So it's a mighty nice, decent looking condition coin. And a variety doesn't have to be in the cherry picker's guide to be meaningful, to be valuable, to be a significant find when you're coin roll hunting or bag searching. So this is a pleasing example, and one in which I think I have maybe one or two of these already, but this is going to be added to my variety stash. But I wanted to share this one with you. It's a really nice, 1956 repunch mint mark, D over D, and yeah, little minuscule treasures like this can be found wherever you look. But yeah, put a little time and effort into it, and good things are going to happen. Again, thank you guys for watching. As always, if you enjoyed tonight's content, just go ahead and plug in the like button for me. Love you guys kindly. And as always, keep hunting, keep searching, and enjoy this hobby. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.